Hello everyone, I'm William Chimaveli from India, Innovative Authors International Forum. As you are aware about IAIF, in other words, Innovative Authors International Forum, we are planning to bring out new programs in view of supporting and lifting budding authors. That's why we named it Innovative Authors International Forum. Whether you are a writer, whether you are an author, whether you are a poet, a beginner or advanced level, you are all welcome to our forum. Now we are going to introduce a new program which is being titled as Connecting Authors. We wish to connect with authors in view of getting or grabbing further information from the deep thoughts of an author. So in other words, it is going to be a short time interaction, say for 30 minutes. And the first program which will highlight one of the famous authors named Chris Venugopal. I'll detail more about him after this short talk. Connecting Authors is just a simple program based in Google Meet application. In this, we will discuss more about who is going to be a writer and what is his perspective on his writings. When I say a writer, he is a person who uses written words in different styles and techniques in view of communicating many ideas. Writers produce different forms of literary art or creative writing such as novels, short stories, other kind of books and dramas, screenplays, teleplays, radio programs, songs and essays, as well as other reports and news articles that may be of interest to the public or to the society. Writers' texts are published across a range of media, whether it is radio, whether it is television, whether it is cinema or movie or celluloid. It is coming to a range of various kinds of medias. And skilled writers who are able to use language to express ideas well often contribute significantly to the cultural content of a community, of a society, or of a nation, or the world. The term writer is also used elsewhere in the arts and music. For example, a songwriter, he will be writing lyrics for the song or for the say drama or for the movie, and a screenwriter or a screenplay writer. But as a standalone writer, normally refers to the creation of written language. Some writers work from oral method, oral tradition. For example, there are folklore activities, art activities around the globe. So coming back to the Connecting Authors, it's a simple program which we intend to perform during these months like June, July and August. And we will be inviting even celebrated authors or famous authors, or who are coming up recently, who had come up recently as budding authors, whether in Amazon platform or in offline publishing platform. Now, about Chris Venugopal. Over 2 decades in various medias, Chris Venugopal has his own expertise in radio, television, stage, scripting, acting as well. And furthermore, he was a jock and programming head in 3 languages. Radio has been his driving force for over 11 years, followed by web and designing, branding, and finally, voice training or voice coach and copywriting, which had kindled the fire in him. An author is a creator or an originator of any written work, such as a book or play, and is also considered as a writer. But more broadly defining, an author is the person who originated or gave existence to the anything and whose authorship determines the responsibility for what was created by that particular writer. Later, he can become an author, and when it comes to a published author, there is a difference. A published author is an author or a writer who had at least published one book traditionally. When I say traditionally, it is, you go to the printing press or you go to the publisher and get one of your books published, either novel, poetry, or whatever it may be. So, when you are compiling or when you are editing a lump sum or a collection of poems or short stories, you cannot claim that you are an author, because it is a collection of creative activities made by a group of people. So, you can say that you are a compiler, or you are an editor, or you are a forward writer or something like that. So, writing is a simple aspect of writing a document, writing a legal document. He is also a writer, but he will not be an author. An author is always someone whose written work has been published to the society, for the readers. So, when I come back to this innovative authors, international forums, connecting authors, we are going to have a short interview with many of the authors, and we will have interaction with them to get more insightful or in-depth thoughts from that particular author. So, our team has circulated many invites, and you may get one, and accordingly we may have to sort out. We will be giving more preference to those who are taken our lifetime membership. Regarding the lifetime membership, you can get in touch with Sindhu Nandaguma, who is the creative director of Innovative Authors International Forum, and you can write to this email. Please note it down if you are interested. The email is mail to iaif@gmail.com. The email goes like this: mail to iaif@gmail.com. So, take care of the email address, or there is a WhatsApp number. There are some posters which is being released by me. You can look at that, and you can get in touch with the Innovative Authors International Forum. And signing off, William Simaveli, Editorial Director, IAIF. That's all for today. Wishing you all a good day. Blessings and greetings. Love to all, bye to all. Goodbye.